Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi WordPress theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, if you've been following any of my videos, you know if I've got a WordPress project, and I get a lot of them, the Divi theme is my go-to theme. It just keeps getting better and better. Yesterday we just demonstrated how to extend your styles throughout the page and change things very quickly. Well, today they've done it again. They've made a new upgrade and it just keeps getting better and better. If I go to a site that I have not upgraded to the latest version of Divi yet, I've got the Visual Builder enabled. If I click on the new section button here, this little purple button, I'll hit regular section. Here's the column layouts you can add. It's the usual ones. It's full width, 50-50, thirds, quarters, 2/3, third, etc., etc. Really useful, really good. But if we look at our site now, I've upgraded it today, or updated it, I should say, to the newest version. I'll enable the Visual Builder on this one. I'll scroll down and we'll add a new column again here. New section and regular section. Now look at that. We've got over twice the number of options here of what we can do. And they've added some really useful ones. I mean, some non-standard. We've got fifths. We've got sixths. Again, you've got thirds or thirds that do a 50-50 column. They got some really useful ones. I mean, let's put one in there. Let's do fifths. It's so easy to build with this, it's ridiculous. Let's give this a title as well. Of course, you can do your normal drag and drop here. This will be a pretty short video. I just wanted to show you these new features here. Let's make that heading 2. Save it. Let's copy it. Move this one over here. Let's maybe put an image in here. There's an image. I'm just using the defaults. I'm not going to go too far on this one. Again, to copy it, let's move this one over here. Just want to demonstrate how quick and easy it is to build with this thing. It's ridiculous. Is that a new? Is that a button? Whoops, went past it. Move him over here. And we'll copy that one. And we'll move this one over here. Like I say, I've got nothing really in mind for this, but purely a demonstration. Fifths used to be a pain. Let's put a circle counter in. Because you had to split one of your columns up and have it's non-standard. So this is really easy, which is great. Let's just save that. There it is. You've now got your 5 columns. And let's do what we did yesterday. Let's extend the image styles here. We've got an image here. Let's extend the style so it's got that same box shadow and gap. There we go, that did that to that. Let's do the same with the text module. There we go, that's restyled that. And let's do the same with this button. Extend button style. There we go. How easy was that? 5 minutes and we got a nice looking row going on there. So, like I say, I just wanted to show you that new feature. I think it's great. There we go. There's the new column layouts that Divi has just brought out. All you need to do if you're using it already is upgrade to the latest version, or update, I should say, in your updater. And these will be available instantly. Short and sweet video there. I hope you found it useful. This has been Jamie from System22 and WebDesignAndTechTips.com. If you've enjoyed this, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're interested in web development, take a look below. We've got some great free courses, and there's also some premium courses with some huge discount for our YouTube subscribers. So once again, thanks for watching. Have a great day.